Sino kasama mo tonight?
Yan po yung pamilya ko. And yung family ng family friend. Yan.
Alright. So, you have 1 minute and 30 seconds to answer the question. I will be reading the question twice for you. Let's do this. Inhale, exhale. This is the question. As a part of Generation Z or Gen Z, what is the most uncomfortable truth your generation must confront, and why are many avoiding it? Again, as a part of Gen Z, what is the most uncomfortable truth your generation must confront, and why are there so many youth avoiding it? Bilang parte ng Generation Z, ano sa tingin mo ang pinakamasaklap na katotohanan ng iyong henerasyon na dapat niyong harapin? At bakit sa tingin mo ay napakaraming kabataan ang iniiwasan nito?
So I believe ang kinakaharap ngayon ng Gen Z is yung pang-aabuso. That's because kahit sa sarili nating tahanan, nararanasan nating maabuso, which is dapat ang bahay natin is safe place natin. And I believe sa mga gumagawa naman ng pang-aabuso is itigil na natin to. It's because nakaka-apekto to ng malaki, lalo na sa kabataan. Huwag kayong ma-pressure. Because I believe we can enjoy our youth. But don't you ever destroy your future. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 13, Riley Taco. And now for our next finalist, let us all welcome Mr. PM5, Rod Evangelista. Hello Rod, kamusta? Anong pinagkakaabalahan mo ngayon?
Kakatapos lang po ng school na bakasyon.
Okay, so I believe you're enjoying your vacation. And anong gusto mong sabihin sa mga supporters mo tonight?
Thank you po sa inyo lahat. Solid kayo. Love you all.
Alright. So Rod, as what I have said earlier, you have 1 minute and 30 seconds to answer the question. I will be reading it twice, and you can also request if you want me to translate it in Tagalog. Okay? So here is the question. As a part of Gen Z, what is the most uncomfortable truth your generation must confront, and why are there so many youth avoiding it? Again, as a part of Gen Z, what is the most uncomfortable truth your generation must confront, and why are there so many youth avoiding it? Okay, I'll translate it. Bilang parte ng Gen Z, ano sa tingin mo ang pinakamasaklap na katotohanan sa iyong henerasyon na dapat niyong harapin, at bakit napakaraming kabataan ang umiiwas dito?
Thank you for that question. And I believe that the Gen Zs today is our fear for failure. But I believe that failure is not the opposite of success. It's a part of it. And every mistake is a lesson. And every setback is a setup for a comeback. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rod. Finalist number 5. Short And now, mga kaibigan, let us welcome Mr. PM15 Asnawe Basar. Alright, once again, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng supporters na naririto pa rin ngayong gabi. And of course, I hope that we all continue to support our candidates tonight. Ayan. And maraming salamat po once again sa organization ng PM Bongana for this affair and event. Maraming salamat po sa ating MSWDO, Ma'am Mildred, ayan, sa kanyang mga staff. Thank you so much. Sa ating CDWs, thank you. Ayan, hi Asnawe, kamusta ka?
Okay lang naman po.
Ayan, okay lang. So, I think you are now in senior high school. Tama? Anong grade ka na? Graduate na. So, anong gusto mong kunin na kurso sa kolehiyo?
Maritime po, tapos second choice ko is education.
Ayan. So, we hope na matupad mo ang iyong pangarap. But at this juncture, itong corona muna tutuparin natin. Okay? Let's do this. You have 1 minute and 30 seconds to answer the question. I will be reading the question twice. And you could request if you want me to translate it in Tagalog. Alright? So, as part of the Gen Z, what is the most uncomfortable truth your generation must confront? And why are there so many youth avoiding it? Again, as a part of the Gen Z, what is the most uncomfortable truth your generation must confront? And why are there so many youth avoiding it? In Tagalog, bilang parte ng Gen Z, ano sa tingin mo ang pinakamasaklap na katotohanan na kailangang harapin ng iyong henerasyon? At bakit sa tingin mo napakaraming kabataan ang umiiwas dito?
Para sa akin po, yung pinakamalaking hadlang sa aming mga kabataan yung face yung labanan yung pinakatakutan bagay namin. Sapagkat maraming kabataan yung natatakot gawin yung kanilang bagay na gusto gawin. Hindi dahil takot silang magkamali, kundi takot silang magkaroon ng judgment na ibabato sa kanila ng ibang tao. Sapagkat paano pa natin mabibigyan ng oportunidad ng isang kabataan na maging tagapagligtas o ang sinabi man ni Dr. Cesar ng kabataan ay pag-asa ng bayan, kung tayo mismo mga nakakatanda ay hindi sila binibigyan ng oportunidad upang maging ganito. Yun lang po. Magandang gabi mong kada. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat din, Mr. PM15 Asnawe Basar. Thank you so much. And now, let's proceed with our next finalist, Mr. PM10, Jel Ervin Dugay. Hi Jel Ervin, how are you? Kamusta ka?
Okay lang naman po.
Ayan, ano gusto mong sabihin sa iyong mga supporters?
Maraming salamat po pala sa mga sumusuporta sa akin. Lalo po.
Alright, thank you. And I know they are so proud of you. So let's do this. Inhale, exhale, release the tension. You have 1 minute and 30 seconds to answer the question. I will be reading it twice. And if you want, you could request na i-translate natin sa Tagalog. Okay? As part of Gen Z, what is the most uncomfortable truth your generation must confront? And why are there so many youth avoiding it? Again, as part of the Gen Z, what is the most uncomfortable truth your generation must confront? And why are there so many youth avoiding it? In Tagalog, bilang parte ng Gen Z, ano sa tingin mo ang pinakamasaklap na katotohanan na kailangang harapin ng iyong henerasyon? At bakit napakaraming kabataan ang umiiwas dito?
Para po sa akin, ang pinakamasakit po na kapalaran po na kinakaharap po ng ating po mga kabataan ay yung mga na napapariwara sa buhay dahil po sa kanilang vision, dahil po sa kanilang ginagawa ay
Kalma na. Kaya yan, mahaba pang oras.
Ngunit naniniwala po ako na kaya po natin palakasin ang ating kabataan through leadership, community engagement, and through innovation. Because I believe that ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Yun ang po ang maraming salamat.
Nice name, Mr. William Ten. Maraming salamat. Congratulations. All right, and now for the next finalist, we have Mr. Carlo Casciano, Mr. PF number 7.
Sagot ko yung ano.
Hi, Carlo. So, anong gusto mo sabihin sa iyong mga supporters tonight? I-shoutout mo naman sila.
Thank you sa mga supporters nila.
Ayan, alisin natin ang kaba. Kaya natin yan. Okay, so I will be reading the question twice. Dalawang beses. And of course, you have 1 minute and 30 seconds to answer the question. And you could request kung gusto mong i-translate natin sa Tagalog. Okay? Let's do this! Hinga ng malalim. Alisin ang kaba. The question is, as a part of Gen Z, what is the most uncomfortable truth your generation must confront? And why are there so many youth avoiding it? Again, as a part of Gen Z, what is the most uncomfortable truth your generation must confront? And why are there so many youth avoiding it? Bilang parte ng Gen Z, ano sa tingin mo ang pinakamasaklap na katotohanan na kailangang harapin ng iyong henerasyon? At bakit sa tingin mo napakaraming kabataan ang umiiwas dito?
Thank you for that question. Naniniwala ako na bilang isang Gen Z ay nakakalimutan na ng mga kabataan ng ating kultura. Dahil sa modernong panahon natin ngayon, nakakalimutan na natin ang ating mga kultura, mga nakasanayang kagawian. At bilang isang kandidato ng Mr. PF, gagawa ako ng isang programang para sa lahat ng mga kabataang Gen Z na hikayatin sila upang tangkilikin nila ang ating kultura. Thank you! Good evening, everyone!
Thank you so much, Mr. PF number 7, Carlo Casciano. 5 men down. We still have 3 candidates or finalists to go. And now, let's welcome Mr. PF14, Roy Sagud. Roy, anong pinagkakabalan mo?
Isa po akong student and nag-ano po sa church. I'm a youth na isang taga-awit sa aming simbahan.
Yun. Alright, and so I wish you good luck sa iyong endeavors. And now, just like what I have said, you have 1 minute and 30 seconds to answer the question. I will be reading it twice for you, and you could request for me to translate it in Tagalog. Okay? So, as a part of Gen Z, what is the most uncomfortable truth your generation must confront? And why are there so many youth avoiding it? Again, as a part of Gen Z, what is the most uncomfortable truth your generation must confront? And why are there so many youth avoiding it?
So thank you for the beautiful question. So for me, I think in this era of age, the youth is a crucial force for progress and innovation, with the potential to address global challenges and build a more sustainable and equitable world.
because we play a significant role in shaping the future, driving change, and contributing to the development of communities and nations. Bilang isang mamamayan ng Mongkada, nais kong mauna sa gawain sa panghihikayat ng mga kabataan upang bigyang halaga ang aming mapaigting ang aming mga kabataan, because I want to lead in the effort for creating safe spaces and building communities to provide equitable access to resources, opportunities, and policies in this generation. Dahil naniniwala ako na kapag nagsama-sama tayo o nagtulong-tulong tayo, ay magiging ikaw, ako, tayo ay magsisilbing lakas ng bawat isa upang tayo ay makalikha ng isang progresibo, maunlad, inklusibo, at masaganang lipunan na kung saan ang bawat isa ay nabibigyang halaga, hindi lang sa Manpada, kundi sa buong Pilipinas. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Pia Porti, Roy Sagus. All right. Let's welcome our next finalist, Ronald Esteban, Mr. Pia 11. Hi, Ronald. Estudyante, katrabaho.
Estudyante.
Anong kurso or anong year?
First year college student ko sa PSU, kumukuha ng education, bachelor in secondary education, major in mathematics.
Major in mathematics. Okay, kung kausap. Biro lang, tanggalin lang natin. Alam mo yan ang yan ang sakit ng English at math eh. Nag-aawat. Ayan, so anong gusto mong sabihin sa iyong mga supporters bago mo sagutin ang question?
Ayan, so nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng mga sumuporta sa akin ngayon dito, especially sa mga relatives ko, sa mga kaibigan ko na nandito ngayon na pumunta pa para manood. Maraming salamat po.
Alright, I know they are so proud of you. So again, you have 1 minute and 30 seconds to answer the question. I will be reading it twice. And if you wish for me to translate in Tagalog, I will do so. Okay? As a part of Gen Z, what is the most uncomfortable truth your generation must confront? And why are there so many youth avoiding it? Again, as part of the Gen Z, what is the most uncomfortable truth your generation must confront? And why are there so many youth avoiding it? Bilang parte ng Gen Z, ano sa tingin mo ang pinakamasaklap na katotohanan na kailangang harapin ng iyong henerasyon? At bakit sa tingin mo ay napakaraming kabataan ang umiiwas dito?
So, thank you so much for that question. I think the most uncomfortable truth that the youth cannot accept is the fact that we are unable to use our own power to create a change in our society. I think that among the youth, some of the youths are only trying to live their life and not to impact the world. And I think that, sa tingin ko para sa akin, hindi nila natatanggap na hindi nila nagagamit ng maigi ang kanilang pagiging kabataan upang magkaroon ng impact sa ating mundo. Para sa akin, ang pagiging kabataan hindi lang bilang isang youth. I think it's about the impact that you can do in our world. And bilang isang candidate dito ngayon, nakatayo sa inyong harapan, meron akong advocacy na lumalaban sa functional literacy na kulang sa mga kabataan ngayon. And I think na napakahalaga na lahat ng kabataan ay maunawaan na ang buhay natin ay hindi lang bigay-ligat, kundi dapat mabuhay tayo bilang isang kabataan na may purpose at may purpose sa buhay. Yun lang po, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Mr. PM11 Ronald Esteban. Medyo nagugulong na po. Alright, thank you so much. And now, mga kaibigan, let's welcome Mr. Mr. PM number 6, Eranio Dominic Lianga. Ayan. Eranio, is this your first time joining a pageant? Alright, so anong pinagkakaabalahan mo? Estudyante? Anong year?
Pag-professor college.
Anong kukunin mong kurso?
Dalawa po yung kung hindi po papalagin sa BSc in Psychology, mag-HM.
Alright. And I wish you good luck. Sana matupad mo ang iyong pangarap through those courses. Kung ano mo mapili mo sa dalawa. Okay, so I guess you're now ready. Inhale, exhale. I will be reading the question twice and you have 1 minute and 30 seconds to answer. Okay? And if you wish for me to translate it in Tagalog, pwede. Okay? So as part of the Gen Z, what is the most uncomfortable truth your generation must confront? And why are there so many youth avoiding it? Again, as part of Gen Z, what is the most uncomfortable truth your generation must confront? And why are there so many youth avoiding it? Okay, bilang parte ng Gen Z, ano sa tingin mo ang pinakamasaklap na katotohanan na kailangang harapin ng iyong henerasyon? At bakit sa tingin mo ay napakaraming kabataan ang umiiwas dito?
Para sa akin, ang pinakamasaklap na katotohanan na hinaharap ng aming henerasyon ay ang mga kabataan na nalululong hindi lamang sa alak, kundi pinakamasaklap na katotohanan na hinaharap ng aming henerasyon ngayon ay ang pinakamasaklap na kinakaharap ng aming henerasyon ngayon, pagiging lulong sa alak. Dahil dito, marami na...
Thank you so much. Candidate number 6, Mr. PF6, for still trying. Yes, of course. Hindi po madali ang nasa harapan. Okay, so maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ating supporters dahil wala naman po nag-boo and nagsisigaw. Maraming salamat po and I wish you all to continue. I hope na ipagpatuloy po natin.